Federated Learning for Secure Genomic Research, Privacy-Preserving AI Solutions for Precision Medicine. This important article is authored by the following scientists. The applications of AI technology in genomic research are increasing, and as centralized AI models need to be trained on aggregated raw genomic data, federated learning, FL, which is inherently a privacy-preserving AI approach, has evolved. Importantly, FL enables multiple institutions to jointly train machine learning models without transmitting raw genomic datasets out of the source institution. Nonetheless, it complies with the most intensive data protection laws, such as the GDPR, HIPAA, or PIPL. This paper recognizes FL in promoting the cybersecurity of genomic data and analyzes its potential for counteracting the non-compliance with individual genomic data privacy by first examining a fundamental optimization algorithm for fitting decentralized models, federated averaging. It also covers techniques for preserving privacy, such as homomorphic encryption and differential privacy. For one, he is about performing encrypted computations on genomic data to mitigate the risk of adversarial inference attacks, while DP injects carefully designed noise into model updates to alleviate risks of data reconstruction and membership inference attacks. In addition, the paper comments on the ethical and regulatory aspects of genomic FL, such as data ownership, cybersecurity hazards of training on sensitive data, and the trustworthiness of the produced models. It also draws attention to critical future research areas, hybrid encryption methods, quantum-safe cryptographic protocols, and cross-compatibility standards to improve the effectiveness of FL over dissimilar genomic data. These developments represent the beginning of the potential for transforming genomic AI research while preserving privacy using FL. Advances in genomic and precision medicine have made it possible to create personalized treatments based on a person's unique genetic makeup. This has led to better healthcare results, especially for people with rare or hard-to-treat diseases. However, using genetic data also comes with serious privacy concerns. If this sensitive information is stored in one central place, it becomes a big target for hackers and unauthorized access. To solve this issue, a new method called federated learning, FL, is being explored. FL allows different hospitals or research centers to work together to train artificial intelligence (AI) models without actually sharing the raw genetic data with each other. Instead, only small updates to the AI model are shared, while the original data stays safely within each organization. This makes it easier to follow strict privacy laws and keeps personal health data more secure. This paper explores how FL can protect patient privacy in genomic research, while still allowing scientists to make important discoveries. It also looks at how FL can shape the future of medicine by making data sharing safer and smarter. FL has the potential to become a key tool in building trustworthy AI systems for personalized healthcare. This paper looks at how federated learning, FL, can help protect private genetic data used in healthcare research. Sharing this kind of data between hospitals or labs can be risky because it might be hacked or tampered with while moving across networks. FL offers a safer way by allowing data to stay at its original location, while only encrypted model updates are shared. This reduces the chances of cyber attacks. Still, FL is not perfect. Hackers could try to guess private information from the updates. To stop this, extra protection tools like homomorphic encryption, which keeps data encrypted even during processing, and differential privacy, which hides personal details by adding noise, are used. However, too much noise can make the data less useful. FL helps meet global privacy laws, but it must be used carefully and legally. Future work should explore better technologies to make genetic data even more secure. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.